sa Lord of Harvest Community Church po. Ako ngayon nagpapatuloy sa gate po nila. Nakikita po natin, busy po sila sa kanilang ginagawa po sa registration. Ilang pa pong mga tao po dumarating po sa basketball clinic na ito at kasalukuyan po nagkakaroon po ng medical check-up po. Nandito po, nakikita po ang aking teacher po sa ALS po, si Ma'am Joy po. Bising-bising pa rin po sa kanilang ginagawa po. Para sa ALS po, ito po si Adowin yung pinagre-report.
As high as it seems, so never give up on your dreams. Time will tell if we're not what we seem, if things we do don't match the things we are. Look inside. Our happiness is always there. I simply want the kind. Can't let others make us blind. With some patience we will find. We can do what's on our mind. Never give up. Should never give in. Always fight for a brighter tomorrow. So never give up on your dreams. Work will win when we shame. Oh, you've got to pay the price. No pain, no gain, don't fizzle out. It's time to roll the dice. It's not over till it's over. Hang on till the end. You've got to keep the dream.